Hi, I'm Martin Jones. I'm the Technical Product Manager at Vango. Today we're going to be talking about the Omega tent, which has a 2, a 3 and a 5 person size, and it's part of our trekking range of tents. The Omega has been designed for longer trips where that extra living space is invaluable, such as bike touring or car camping. It's also been approved by the Duke of Edinburgh's Awards Scheme and the Scout Association, so is ideal for group usage. All of the tents in our trekking range have ProTex 70 denier polyester flysheet. This has a 5000mm hydrostatic head, so it's extremely waterproof, durable and lightweight. The poles that we use are 7001 T6 aluminium alloy, so they're corrosion resistant, they're very flexible and durable, and the guy lines are reflective, so there's less chance of tripping over them overnight. The Omega is a generously sized tunnel tent with large inner space and porch area. We've got mesh doors to keep bugs at bay, front diamond clear windows, and it uses TBS2 for extra stability. As a design engineer, I know that triangles are the strongest shape to use in a tent construction. This creates a triangular shape within the tent and restricts any lateral movement. The ground sheets have a hydrostatic head of 6000mm. Tents all have multiple venting options and all use our fast pack compression bag, which makes it really simple and easy to pack your tent away even when it's wet.